Hi viewers, we are in Gujarat and we are in the Expo, FITEC Expo. I am happy that I am with my Jakir Bhai. We are one of the oldest friends in my life.
My name is Zakir Hussain Rangwala. I am the CEO of BD Software Distribution Private Limited. And my journey in cyber security, or I would say antivirus, because that time there was no cyber security when I started. It was only an antivirus on the name of security. So I started my journey, sales journey in 1989 when I was in college. And for pocket money, I started selling some computers. That time there were big desktops coming. So that was my journey. I still remember October. October was the period 1989 when I started selling computers and also training people on how to use a computer when I was studying. After my college in 1992, I got a job in selling an antivirus software called Red Alert, and that's how I entered the line of security. And since 1992 till today, I am into the field of cyber security, selling the same thing which I have sold. I love selling them. But I believe it's something I am doing good for people in general. And by using this product, they are able to safeguard. So that was the idea. 1996, I got the fever of starting my own company. So after working from 1989 to 1996, I started my own company called Aladdin Multimedia, which was a distribution house, and we were selling almost 300 software products from across the world in India. That company we worked till 15 years. In 2010, we had to close that company because of internet coming in and then various bigger distributors coming in. So vendor used to come, appoint us as distributors for 6-8 months, and then they used to appoint a bigger distributor. So we lost a lot of money. We couldn't sustain after that. So we had to close down our business. But the motivation and something to different was always intact. So for 4-5 years in between, I worked at different places. And 2016 again, I started BD Software. And after that, we have not looked back. We are growing almost 40 to 50% year on year. Right now, my team is around 90 people. We will be around 150 by the year ends in 2026, with 8 offices across India, and we are also selling in Singapore, Malaysia, Nepal, Bhutan. So we are spreading slowly. We have 20 solutions right now, all based on cybersecurity or related to cybersecurity. Businesses, SMB, government, enterprise, small companies. And what we are doing best is we are training a lot of partners who are either selling toners, small hardware, small companies, but they are not able to compete with online media at the big stores. So we are training them to sell cybersecurity solutions, wherein they sell for us and we do all kinds of technical support, e-sales, and that model for us has worked very well. We work with almost like 2,000 partners now. We are invoicing to 1,800 partners yearly across India. That's the strength. Over the years, trust is what we have gained. And being in this industry from 35 years, working with channel, I enjoy that little bit of extra with every partner. I know them very well. And also magazines like NCN, all who are always supporting us because I have been working with them for a long time. And I think my best as an entrepreneur now is that this team of 90 people, I am maturing them or I am training them to become entrepreneurs. That is what India needs. And I am at the backstage, my team drives the entire business. And my own goal is that I will make more people like me who can run not even my company. They can start on their own and they can run. And what I've learned is that it's life, it will keep on going. There is a circle which keeps on going. And if you keep moving, the necessary success keeps on coming. You just need to be focused on the goals. So last 35 years, my goal, selling cyber security solutions, selling via channel partners. So every policy, every website, whatever we have is all channel focused, channel based. And that is how we are growing. So a lot of trust we enjoy of channel. Our sales people are also there from a long time with us because, as I said, we are grooming them to become the next entrepreneurs. So I think that is my biggest achievement, to secure the data at my customer's place, to make profit for my partners, and make my team turn into entrepreneurs so they understand the entire way of working business. So being on both the side of the table, being an entrepreneur also and being a salesman, I think the entrepreneurship gave me more openness because I have my own ideas. I want to do my own things, and that is not possible when I was working. So of course, all the guys who are working with are big guys, and I knew them very well. They helped me in the journey, but I wanted to do it my way in a different way, and that's how that entrepreneurship comes. That अगर खुद का होगा तो ये कर सकते हैं, ये आइडिया को ला सकते हैं, and I believe that if you fail fast, but fail differently. That's my motto which I carry, fail fast, fail different. So I am, as an entrepreneur, I'm able to try a lot of different things, and I don't have to blame anybody. If it's not working, I can change it. And that's why that's the best part about being an entrepreneur. So when I was working in between for 5 years, I thought that, maybe once I start working, I'll again gain that knowledge which I've lost, maybe because of entrepreneurship. कुछ चीजें रह गई है, छूट गई है. So that 5 years, I was able to reflect back on what went wrong, or what did not work, not say wrong, what did not work, how to change it and bring it back. So the same knowledge I had given to Bitdefender. And that's how they appointed us. Okay, you look after this entire region because we agree with that the distribution model doesn't work. We want to work with you on your market. And it's a big brand now in India today. It's competing in the top 5 category. We have more than 15 lakh users today running on Bitdefender solution. So that's how all the vendors that we are choosing, we are giving them the same thing. That if you treat India as मैंने भेज दिया आप भेज दो आगे, वैसा नहीं चलता है. India is a different market, growing market, people are learning, inquisitive है, यूज करना चाहते हैं but knowledge नहीं है. So if you come with that formula,
teamwork you have to,
brand will become bigger. And मैं एक ही चीज मानता हूँ कि मैं किसी ब्रांड से नहीं हूँ. BD Software is a brand. Every other brand, because आज वेंडर चेंज हो जाता है, वेंडर कंपनी बिक जाती है, वो जो पार्टनर है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर है, वो रह जाता है. तो समझ में आता है या तो बंद हो जाता है. तो मैं सारे चैनल को भी वही बोलता हूँ कि आप ब्रांड मत देखो, आप अपने आप को ब्रांड बनाओ. लेट पीपल कम टू यू, देन यू सजेस्ट व्हाट यू वांट टू से. बट अगर आप वही बोलेगा आपका तो कोई मांगता नहीं है, वो जो मांगता है वो बेचने वाले हो ना, तो देन यू आर अ केमिस्ट. बट इफ यू वांट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर, यू हैव टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर. डजंट मेक क्रोसिन का ब्रांड से नहीं बेचते. तो अपना ब्रांड बना के फिर क्रोसिन नहीं देते आपको, वो 1000 रुपये लेते हैं. क्रोसिन तो 25 रुपये का मिलता है. So that's what I always believe, that BD Software, my company, is a brand. I am a brand, I am a face. 35 years, people know me, people trust me. Same thing with my team, 20 years, 15 years, they have trusted me. That's how the difference comes in. So ये entrepreneurship नहीं मिलता. That's what I said always. One, you have to make yourself as a brand. Today you see all social media, LinkedIn, people are doing this. One, try becoming your own as a brand. कीप फोकस. आपको कहाँ जाना है, आपको चैनल में करना है, जो भी आप प्रोडक्ट कर रहे हो, लेट्स बी वेरी फोकस. आई एम सेम. पीपल टेल मी आप 1918 में भी एंटीवायरस बेच रहे थे, आज भी बेच रहे हैं. तो दैट्स माई करेक्ट, बिकॉज वही मैं करता हूँ. सिर्फ पायलट वाला जो पायलट है, चलो डॉक्टर नहीं बनेगा, तो डॉक्टर जो इंजीनियर नहीं बनेगा, तो डॉक्टर नहीं करने का. तो स्टे फोकस, थिंग्स विल कीप ऑन मूविंग. इट्स अ लाइफ इज अ सर्कल एंड यू विल हैव टू गो थ्रू इट. आप हमेशा ऊपर या हमेशा नीचे नहीं रहेंगे. जितना बड़ा भी 30 मार का मैंने जो ये गॉन थ्रू जो, तो यू हैव टू स्टे मोटिवेटेड एंड दैट्स इट. आई मीन जस्ट बी फोकस एंड फिक्स्ड ऑन द गोल. ऊपर नीचे आने वाला है. तो मैसेज एक ही है कि द ट्रस्ट आई अर्न फ्रॉम लास्ट 35 years from the partners. So most of the partners I know, when he started after me, many are before us, but they all friends and it has helped me to grow. So one is that because I have earned the trust. Even when I was down, I was sure to be in touch with everybody. We never ran away, not supported. My partners, it's very clear. Customer ने पैसा नहीं दिया, मुझे पैसा नहीं. We work on that because उनका भी तो problems है, उनके भी तो problem. So if we work with that way, and the other thing is, जैसे मैंने बताया, we have to create ourselves as a brand, not carry a brand.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.